Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Equinox. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, premium wheels, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, anti-lock braking system, remote keyless entry, driver's side remote mirror, outside temperature gauge, power brakes. Inside you'll find backup camera, heated seats, remote start, steering wheel audio controls, premium sound system, MP3 player, security system, low tire pressure warning, cruise control, trip computer. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.